I peed a little in my pants, not gonna lie. My underwear's a little wet right now. We'll take care of that later, but we've made it. We are here at the SFC Contender Series in the deep, deep heart of Ghatkopar. Is that where we are?
Yeah, I think so, bro. I don't know Mumbai locations and all at all.
It can only happen in India. An MMA fight, an event is happening in a mandir. Abbas, can you just pan and show them where we are?
But no, we're damn excited. We're going to interview the fighters, coaches. I mean, Sammy, it's your first time watching an MMA fight live. What
Yeah.
say, bro?
I pulled up and there were goosebumps, dude. I was like, I'm so excited. Like, I can't wait to watch some people just getting beaten the fuck out.
Yeah, bro. It's going to be fucking sick. I can't wait.
Cool. See you guys inside.
आपने कैसे डिसाइड किया कि मेरे को MMA फाइटर बनना है?
मैं इसको यूट्यूब पे देखता था, मेरे को रील्स आती थी। मैं पहले 4-5 साल पहले देखता था। मैं देखता था यार, ये कैसा गेम है यार, आवाज़ गेम है, मतलब इसमें एक दूसरे को मारते हैं। और मेरे को ये अच्छा लगता था कि यार एक दूसरे को मारना, लड़ाई में दोस्त देखते थे, तो इसीलिए मैंने इसको चॉइस किया कि मैं यही खेलूँगा। मैंने पापा से बोला, पापा ने बोला छोड़ना यार, रहने दे। मैंने बोला नहीं, मुझे यही करना है।
Self defense. I was actually really weak as a child, so I wanted to become strong. So I started martial arts.
First I fight on streets,
Now the kids.
now on the cage.
My dad actually introduced me to the sport and I started training. I started sparring, training, I actually started competing. And I was completely invested in it. And that's how I started watching the UFC. And all.
मैं पहले टाइकोंडो का ट्रेनिंग स्कूल में करता था। उसके बाद मैं मुंबई में आया, मुंबई में जॉब करा।
आप कहाँ से हो?
मैं हूँ एक्चुअली झारखंड जमशेदपुर।
तो वहाँ पे टाइकोंडो सीखा।
टाइकोंडो तो फिर यहाँ पे आया, हमारा सर बताया कि इधर टाइकोंडो ये MMA कर सकते हो, तो इधर में ज्वाइन किया।
You know, I joined Kushnoor, my coach. Okay, like he's the one who, because of who I am today. Okay, I am who I am because of him today. In terms of fighting, in terms of professionally, everything, right? He's helped me shape me to be a better person and everything. He's the one who introduced me to the sport. He spent his time, energy, and a lot more towards me. And I look forward to keeping his name up high, right? And by God's grace, we look forward to winning.
What's up, guys? We're inside. The octagon is right behind us. Vibes are electric. We're standing amongst the crowd, blocking people's view.
Yeah, we just saw a couple of finishes. The setup is actually really nice. Look, you can see the big screen back there behind the cage as well. So they're filming everything. Catch it on YouTube live. These guys are going really hard. They're going at it, man. It's really fun. Sammy, first time fight.
Yeah, this is the first time I've fought. I'm hearing the striking live. The thuk, thuk, thuk. It's crazy. It doesn't translate on TV at all.
Yeah.
You don't hear them punching
The
each other.
first few fights that I had worked was during COVID, so there was no fans. It was similar to this. Less actually crowd than this.
Yeah.
You can hear everything. It's
The
everything
flash
so
on
well
flash
done.
contact is insane.
It's mad. Who's your favorite fighter in the US?
Favorite fighter Khabib.
Corner.
I'd have to say Peter Yan.
What do you like about him so much?
It's just his fighting style. He can get hit, but he can continue pushing forward and knock people out.
He's John Jones.
Dustin Poirier.
कॉर्नर में करावर
Hamza Chimaev.
Conor McGregor.
You cannot say biggest fan and Conor McGregor. Give me a better answer. Bro. That's a very casual answer.
Khabib.
Khabib always
All right.
ये चीफ ने सब कुछ कह दिया। तालियां बजाओ यार वेंकटेश के लिए।
Venkatesh went hard, bro, during the fight. I'm not even surprised he reacted like that.
I got a little scared. I peed a little in my pants, not gonna lie. My underwear's a little wet right now. We'll take care of that later, but I just feel on edge over here, bro. I've tried to
Yeah, really?
Yeah, I've tried to approach 2-3 people. They've said no. I don't know where the line is to ask someone for an interview right after a fight or
If
what.
you think there's a line, don't do it.
Don't do it, yeah.
You don't want to
Tanna
take the
is
risk.
saying this,
Yeah,
right?
you
If you think
don't
there's a line, don't do it. So you gotta be careful, man. The commentator's trying super hard, dude,
To
get
overshadow
everyone
us.
to overshadow us. We should challenge him to go into the octagon.
Yeah.
We'll do a face-off with him after.
He also, him and me, glasses on, no mouthpiece. Who would you pick between John Jones and Daniel Cormier?
Alex Pereira.
Alex Pereira.
John Jones.
John Jones.
John Jones.
DC. First person to say DC.
John Jones.
We've been here for now two hours.
About.
Watched, I think, about 15 fights, something like that. Maybe more, maybe less. I don't really know. But this is the first women's only fight or women fight, and it started off with some intensity, man. She picked her up and just slammed her on the canvas.
Walked her across the cage and then slammed her.
Yeah.
So yeah, these fucking women are going at it, bro. I think it's gonna happen again.
So close,
It's gonna
bro.
happen again.
Oh, there she gets slammed again.
I just want to hop in and say, out of all the fights we saw, that's the most technical performance that there has been. Her technique is on point. She's patient. She's keeping the control with the position. She hasn't lost her cool, even though she's on top. She's chilling with it, making sure she has the position, transitioning, and dude, she's
doing all the right things.
10 out of 10. Honestly, most technical fighter we've seen so far. We've been here. Like
Do you
guys
think it
said,
should have
for a
been
while.
called?
Yeah, should have been called long back.
Because she's not defending herself smartly at all.
At
yeah,
all.
the
Even
girl
though
at the bottom.
they're not hard shots, it's an
Yeah.
amateur fight, so I don't know why it's.
I'm just happy that fight ended more than anything. I couldn't watch that anymore. I couldn't watch her getting beaten up anymore. I was cringing every time a punch was thrown, and I was begging for the fight to be.
They have to start
stopped.
regulating this.
Which Indian cricketer do you think will make the best MMA fighter?
Dhoni.
इंडियन क्रिकेट टीम से कैसे बन पाएगा?
Hardik Pandya.
Okay, why Hardik Pandya?
He has that lean muscle. He has the kind of physique. So why not?
For lightweight, Virat Kohli is best, but he cannot generate so much power.
हार्दिक पांड्या.
Currently, I don't think anyone, like in my view, will make a good MMA fight.
शायद विराट कोहली.
Has just won by submission about 20 minutes ago. It was an amazing rear naked choke, right? How do you feel after your win?
मेरी ये सेकंड फाइट थी, उसमें मैं जीता. बहुत अच्छा लगा, खुशी हुई क्योंकि मैं 2 राउंड डोमिनेट किया और तीसरे राउंड में 5 मिनट कुछ बाकी था, तो उसमें मैंने चौक ले लिया.
और आपने अपोनेंट को टायर्ड करके फिर फिनिश कर दिया.
फिनिश.
Congratulations. आपका नाम क्या है?
कलीम.
और कलीम, आप किधर से आए हो?
मैं सहारनपुर से आया, यूपी.
आपका ट्रिप कितना घंटा लगा, कितना दिन लगा इधर बॉम्बे आने को?
2 दिन लगते, 2 दिन.
2 दिन ट्रेन से. और फिर आप किसके साथ आए? सर के साथ आए, टीममेट के साथ आए?
मैं अकेला आया. मेरे को कोच जिशान ने बुलाया. कोच जिशान सर है टीम बाइबर्स के, उन्होंने मेरे को बुलाया अभी फाइट खिलाने के लिए. अब वही मेरे को स्पोर्ट को सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं.
और आप बॉम्बे कितने दिन तक हो आप? टूर्नामेंट तो अभी आपका हो गया है.
अभी मैं 1 महीना रुकूंगा.
और आप वाइपर्स के साथ ट्रेन करोगे?
हाँ,
Recover होगे?
हाँ, देखो.
आपको कैसा लगता है ये सब टूर्नामेंट होता है बॉम्बे में?
बहुत अच्छा लगता है मेरे को. मेरे को इसमें करियर बनाना है.
आप कितने साल के हो अभी?
मेरी 19 साल.
अच्छा यार, और आप कितने साल से ट्रेनिंग कर रहे हो?
मैं अभी 4 साल से ट्रेनिंग कर रहा हूँ. अभी इंशाल्लाह मेरा 7-2 का रिकॉर्ड है. अभी ये लॉस हुआ है, बाकी अब इंशाल्लाह बढ़िया हो जाएगा.
Who's your favorite female fighter you were saying?
I'd have to say Zhang Weili.
Great, bro. Yeah. What do you like about her? That's so good.
I just like the fighting style. She's entertaining to watch and she fights really well.
Rounder Rousey.
Ronda Rousey. Very nice answer, yeah.
Zhang Weili.
That's the second time someone said that. Sick, bro.
Mackenzie Dern.
पूजा तोमर खेल रही है अपने इंडिया से. वो सपोर्ट कर रही है अपने इंडिया को. इंडिया की तरफ से कोई तो निकल रहा है, इसलिए मुझे वो बहुत अच्छी लगती है. बहुत अच्छा है वो.
Female fighter, I don't
watch it. Alright, we're here with the commentator. What's your name, man?
Hi, I'm Raj Srivastava. How are you guys doing?
Good, man. I'm Tanay from the Casual Show. I just want to say you're doing a great job commentating this whole thing. Is this your first time? Clearly not, I don't think.
Thank you, my man. सबसे पहले तू हाथ मिला.
अरे हाथ मिला.
So nice to meet you. I'm the man behind the camera right now in a very cool Bhaigala United blue t-shirt. I'm a podcaster. I'm an artist. I make music. I make hip hop music as well. I make podcasts. आलम भाई के एक फाइटर के साथ में मैंने एक फाइटर को इनवाइट किया था मेरे पॉडकास्ट पे. So वहाँ से उन्होंने मेरा शो देखा. And he just thought कि it's such a lovely day today, तो आज आके आप यहाँ कमेंट्री कर लो. अगर ये कमेंट्री लाइव स्ट्रीम ना भी होती जिस तरीके से इस वक्त हो रही है, फिर भी मैं यहाँ आता, बिकॉज आई एम ट्रूली अ फैन ऑफ UFC. कॉर्नर का बहुत बड़ा फ़ैन हूँ, उसकी अकड़ का, उसकी सनक का. एंड आई थिंक यू गाइज आर डूइंग अ ग्रेट जॉब. एंड आई एम जस्ट हियर, आई एम हैविंग फन, आई एम चिलिंग एंड मेकिंग श्योर कि मैं अपने शब्दों के जादू के साथ आप लोगों को एंटरटेन कर सकूँ. एंड यू नो, आई थिंक दिस इज द बिगिनिंग ऑफ UFC, of MMA, of mixed martial arts, and basically the art of self-defense, which is very much need of this hour.
And tell me, Conor McGregor, will he fight or no before December? Or in December?
Whether he fights or not, he's always going to be an entertainer and the champion and the don that he is for me. So, and I think Tanay, man, you know, you're a brilliant host, and I enjoyed
you
your
so much.
questions. And thank you so much, guys, for covering me. काफी मजा आया. मैं जाता हूँ वापस ड्यूटी पे. Thank you.
We just wrapped up at the Super Fight Contender Series. We got a few interviews, not too many because these guys are really riled up. Either they were fighting, they were coaching, or they were supporting their friends. Completely understandable, man. We watched some intense shit in there. Sammy, first time experience for an MMA fight. What do you think?
Goosebumps. I was a little scared. I peed in my pants a little bit. Just hearing that skin on skin, flash on flash, a kick, a punch in person is completely different to what like we see on TV on the UFC, because the crowd noise just drowns out all the punches and the kicks. When you're in person and you see like someone getting beaten up, it's no joke, man.
Yeah, you don't want to be in there. You
Yeah.
want to sit and watch. That's the max you want to do. Fuck that. I mean, these guys are like, most of them are younger than us today, and they can just kick the shit out of us. And this is it's an up and coming tournament, and still that's the level right now, and that's the ferocity they come with. So
Super bare bones. They're just trying to like put this up. Fighter conditions may not have been the best, but kudos to them for putting this up and growing the sport, man. Now more people know about UFC, MMA. People want to do this shit. Hopefully, the MMA community worldwide like recognizes this, gets some
Yeah.
eyes on stuff like this, because it only starts from the grassroots
I mean,
levels.
yeah, we have so much population. We can find talent from everywhere. We interviewed someone who came from UP and stuff. He
Yeah.
came by himself. He met up with another coach, and then went through the fight. So these stories have been amazing. People are putting in the work. Hopefully, we get a nice champion from India soon at an international level. But this is the right way to start, I think. Can be better organized, but that's just the problem with, you have to get so much permission and things like that. It's difficult. For what resources they have, they're doing a killer job.
But yeah, just happy to be a part of it, and
gonna die.
we can do whatever we want. Just pan to these people over here right quick. They want to kill us. That's how the camera was.
Yeah, uncle
coming
is
in
trying to come
closer
for our head.
closer. Death ban.
Chalo, done.
Yeah, so thank you so much. Thank you so much. Like, subscribe, share. Hope you guys enjoyed the video.